Looking at cinnamon rolls at a coffee shop, we think it's hard to make at home, but it's actually very easy. Homemade cinnamon rolls is very easy to make and very quick to finish. These cinnamon buns are better than the ones you buy from the store. These soft and fluffy rolls will always be a hit at dinner party. Let's start this delicious dessert. Add 1½ cup of flour to the bowl. Gather 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of instant active dry yeast. Add to the bowl and mix it. Add 7 tablespoons of butter. Add 1½ cup of lukewarm milk. It should not be hot. Mix it and add the egg. Cake mixer can use for this part of recipe. Mix it very well until all the ingredients blend completely. Now start adding flour each time we add ½ cup and mix. We will use 3½ cup of flour in the recipe to make a soft dough. Transfer it to countertop. Knead the dough for 8 minutes until it is smooth. Our goal is to make the dough more stretchy to develop more gluten. Pour a few drops of oil in bowl. Transfer the dough to the bowl. Cover and put it in a warm place until double in size. It will take around 1 hour. Now transfer it to a floured surface. Roll the dough to make a rectangle. Spread 1/4 cup of melted butter over the dough. Spread 1/2 cup of brown sugar over it. White sugar can be used. Now sprinkle 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder and spread it. Now roll the dough and try to make it tight. Pinch the end to seal it very well. Cut 11 to 12 rolls from the log. Oil 8 by 12-inch rectangle pan. Place the rolls in the pan. Cover and let it proof in warm place for 30 more minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the plastic wrap. Transfer it to preheated oven. Bake it for 30 minutes in 350 degrees oven. Take out from the oven and let it cool a little bit. It may take around 15 minutes. In the meantime, make the icing. Add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 1/4 cup of milk cream. Mix it to make a soft icing. This step can be done in cake mixer. Spread the icing over the rolls. Sprinkle 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts over it. Delicious cinnamon rolls are ready to serve. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.